Hello everyone, this is the tutorial on how to create the sandworm. And when you finish this tutorial, you can create this sandworm that move along the bezier curve and flying to the character location. May apologize to the sound because it is raining today. First we remove the cube of the playground. Delete it. And delete this third person template. The SM cube, set the X to 100 and Y is 120. Move this player start to the middle. Open the content folder. Add new folder. Name it sandworm. Open it. Right click, add new level, copy all this object from our scene. Open new word, select it and paste it. Then import the segment of our sandworm and our texture. You can download it, the link in the description below. Import all. Right click, add new material, name it M sandworm. For the ambient occlusion, open and disable the RGB, the metallic disable, and the roughness disable RGB. Open the material and then drag our base color, connect it to base color, metallic to metallic, and roughness to roughness, ambient occlusion to ambient occlusion. Open the static mesh and use this sandworm material. Right click, blueprint class, actor, name it BP actor segment. We will create a segment and the other segment follow the head of the segment. Add static mesh. Drag our segment inside the static mesh. Rotate it Y minus 90 degree and the scale lock. Size is 0.7. For the variable, add variable. Name is front segment. Variable type BP actor segment. Object reference. Add variable. Name is head. Variable type is boolean. Add variable. Name is index. And variable type is integer. Add variable. Name is delta second. Variable type is float. Compile. Then go to event graph. At the begin play, get front segment and call is valid. And then set head to true if it is not valid. If we don't have the segment that stay in front of that segment, it means that it is the head of the sandworm. event tick and set data second to data second. Get front segment and call is valid. Then our front segment get actor location, get root component, get forward vector, multiply it with the float, convert pin to float, minus 180, and then add it with the forward vector. Get actor location, call vlove2 love vector from our current location to the forward vector, and this multiply convert to float, the to minus 180 is behind the front segment minus 180 unit. Sorry for the love. We want to call vinterp2 because we need the data time. Get data second, connect it to data time, and get actor location, connect to current, connect it to the target. And the interp speed is 15. Get default scene root and set the world location. Connect this vector to the new location and connect it to is valid. Get actor rotation, get front segment, get default scene root, then get world rotation, call all interp2 and connect actor rotation to current rotation, connect to target, get data second, connect to data time, and interp speed is 1.8. We want to slow down the rotation of our segment that is behind another segment. Then from default scene root, call set world rotation, make it to new rotation. Now right click blueprint class and create character. Name it BP Sandworm. Open it, go to event graph, add variable, name it front segment, and variable type is BP actor segment. Add variable, name it head segment, and variable type is BP actor segment. Add variable, name it vector location, and variable type is vector. Add variable, name it P1 for the first point. Add variable P2, and another variable is P3 because we need 3 points for our Bezier curve. In the begin play, call for loop. The first index is 0 and the last index depend on the number of segments you want. So I set it to 7. Loop body, call spawn actor from class, and the actor is BP actor segment. Spawn transform, split it, get actor location, then for the index multiply it with 100 and add it with the actor location, split, connect it to H, then connect it to the spawn transform location. The return value set index and connect the index of the for loop to the index. Get front segment from the return value. Set front segment default value. Connect it to front segment. From the return value, set it to front segment of the BP sandworm. Call do one, and then the return value set head segment. We call do one because the head of the sandworm have only one. And when the loop complete, call delay for 0.2 seconds. Create custom event. Name it get actor location. And from the delay we call get actor location. Get head segment. Get actor location. Get player pound. Get actor location of the player pound. Get unit direction vector. Connect the actor location to from and to the player pound location. Split it and make vector. We don't want the z value, so connect x to x, y to y, and normalize this vector and set it to vector location. Connect get actor location to set vector location. Get head segment. Get actor location of the head segment. Break vector. Call make vector. X to x, y to y, and then set it to the first point. This is the starting point of the sandworm. Add get vector location, multiply, convert this vector to float, make float, and the value is 3000. This is the distance that you want the sandworm to fly to. And then set it to P3, the third point. Get head segment. Get actor location. Break vector and call make vector. X to x, y to y. Get vector location, multiply, then copy this, make literal float, divide, get random float in range between 1.5 and 2. Connect it to the divide, convert it to float, connect it to the vector location, and make vector, add it with the vector. From the make literal float, divide it by 2. Call random float in range, and the make value is the literal float. Then add it with this vector, right click and split, connect it to Z. This is the point that stay between of the point 1 and point 3 with the height that is the Z value. Then set P2. Create a custom event. Name it roll animation. Add new timeline. Name it degree rotation. You can make it to play from start. Open. For the length of the time is 10 seconds. Add float track. This float track name is degree. First is add key to curve float. Time is 0 and the value is 0. And when the time is 10, value is 360. Press F to zoom out. Add new variable. Name it degree. Variable type is float. And set the degree. Connect degree to degree. Make it to update. And when it finishes, call roll animation again. Create a custom event. Name it bezier curve. Add timeline. Name is time equation. Make it to play from start. Open the equation. The length is 30 seconds. Add float track. Add time is 0. The value is minus 0.5. And add time is 30. The value is 1.5. New track, rename it to time. We said time is minus 0.5 because we want the sandworm to start below the ground. Go to event graph. For the time, add variable, name it time, set it to the time when it's updated. And we use this function to find our bezier curve for our sandworm to move along this curve. For this equation with 3 points, we have these 3 points, and this is the tangent of the vector. We use this tangent to find the rotation of our sandworm. Back to Unreal Engine. Get P1, multiply, get time, call subtract, connect time to the subtract, and 1 subtract with the time, power with 2, and then convert it to float, connect it to the float. Get P2, multiply, copy this 1 minus time, multiply it with 2, add pin, and multiply it with the time again. Connect it to the vector. Get P3, multiply, get time, call power by 2. The vector, convert it to float, connect it to the float. Add these 3 together. Add pin. Then get head segment. We want to move only the head of the sandworm, and then the other segment will follow the head. Get root component. Set world location. Connect it to the new location. I'm gonna hit to set time. This one we want to create the tangent of the Bezier curve from 3 points. Get P1, multiply, get time, subtract, next time to the subtract, 1 subtract with time, multiply with -2 and connect it to the vector. Get P2, multiply, convert it to float, set it to -2. Add pin, convert it to float. Get time, multiply it by 2, subtract it with 1 and connect it with the float. Get time, multiply it with 2, get P3, then call multiply, convert it to float, connect it to the time multiplied by 2. Add all of these vector, add pin, rotation from x vector, because this is the tangent, so we can find the rotation of the head segment, and then we copy this head segment root component, set var rotation, connect it to set var rotation, split it, struct pin. For the roll, we want to roll this head segment, get degree, connect it to the roll, and split the rotation, connect pitch to Y, yaw to Z. At the event begin play, get actor location, we call roll animation function, and after we get actor location, we call the Bezier curve function. Go to our scene, add sandworm character inside our scene. For the Bezier curve, when it finished, we get actor location again to get the new point and create a new Bezier curve for our sandworm to move it. Let's play test. Now our sandworm move along the Bezier curve that we created with the 3 points. And the sandworm will fly to our character. This is the end of our tutorial, and if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really means a lot to me. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the future tutorial.